How to access your credit score for free in the UK. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your financial history, reflecting how responsibly you have managed credit and bills in the past. It is used by lenders to assess your credit worthiness. Three main agencies operate in the UK: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They collect data from lenders, utility companies, and other sources to create your credit report. You have several options for accessing your credit score for free. Direct from Credit Reference Agencies. Experian offers a free monthly credit score update through their credit expert service. You can also request a free statutory credit report, which doesn't include your score but provides a basic overview of your credit history. Equifax offers a free 30-day trial of their credit report and score service. After the trial, you'll need to pay a monthly subscription. However, you can also access your Equifax credit score for free through ClearScore, which updates monthly. TransUnion doesn't directly provide a free credit score, but you can access it for free through services like Credit Karma and Totally Money. These services update your score weekly. Visit the website of your chosen provider, create an account, and provide the necessary personal information. You'll likely need to verify your identity using methods like providing your address details or using a credit card. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to view your credit score, credit report, and any other information provided by the service.